Or maybe it's up there. Maybe it's from the ceiling. No way. Eating Mike Tyson's ass, thank you. Ah, it is at the top. Oh, I thought it was at the top. That scared me. Anyways, thank you, eating Mike Tyson. Boing, boing. Sausages. Boing, boing. Hello! There was something down there. A cat. Maybe. Maybe not a cat. Was there a cat? Meow. Meow. Boing. Boing, boing, boing. No cats. Okay. I guess the passage is clear. On the lower side of the screen. Oh, you mean me? No, because I thought like I missed something on the lower edge. I was like, oh. No, that's just me. Come on. Come on. You think I wouldn't know? What kind of joke you were about to make up on lime grape something? Like, remember to rate the video, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos similar. Don't forget to push that and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe.